Actually, I'm sorry, I couldn't record in the middle because of that. You might miss some sessions, but let me explain. Like what we tried is how to log in, how to do the challenges. Challenges, as I said, there are challenges where you can challenges වල තියෙන උඩට යන්න පුළුවන් challenges. You can go to the next level, next level, next level. So this is a such challenge. So you can go to the next level, like after solving the first problem, the second problem comes here. Counting from 1 to 9, we are done with that, 10 to 29, then counting backwards, reverse counting. And you will get a puzzle, you have to solve that. Reverse counting, this is 20, I guess. 20, 19, 18, is reverse counting. So likewise, after completing all these things, 10, 9, 8, okay, here 11, this should be 5, 3. Likewise, this is reverse counting. When you do that, you will get marks, and it will be marked in the right side. Then you can go to the next. ඊළඟ එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. මේක මාක් කරා, ලකුණු ගත්තා. ඔන්න ඒක හරි. ඊළඟ මේ විදිහට මේ ඊළඟ grade එකට grade uplift කරන challenges තියෙනවා. ඒවා තියෙන්නේ higher grades වල. The next one is, so this kind of activities always you have to log in, because why? The score is recorded. ඔයා මොනවාද කරන්නේ? ඒකේ activity එකේ. Okay, you can see here. So it's absorbing carbon dioxide. You can click on this. මේක උඩ click කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මෙතන මෙතනට එනවා. Then drag කරලා දාන්න. Click on this, it will come to the box. Click and drag the right place. Click on this, it will come to the box. Oxygen, I guess here. And also the H2O, H2 absorbed here. This is water. Okay. So after that, you can submit the answers and you got points, and these points will be added to you. That's why you need to log in. You can see I got all correct and I got the marks. You can retry if you want. Otherwise, you can just go back or close the activity, because you are already in the challenge, like here CCS. You can go to the next activity, likewise general knowledge challenge. So different challenges are there, but this plant explorer, chemical, astrophysics challenge, this will be lead into this hybrid version. Again, make it තියෙන්නේ ඔක්කොම එකට. Personal financing, problem solving, self-learning, understanding by reading, and empathy, understand the issue of the person, and completing missions, by that earning money. And you cannot waste money too. Did you buy any seed, Miss what's the name, Miss Devyan? Yeah, did you buy any seeds from the codex? Then if you buy, you can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have you planted that in the garden?
Yes, sir. I planted.
Then you can.
And I have a store.
Then you can, it will come to the apothecary, then you can make it, and then you can earn. So it's kind of a logic flow, how things work in the real world. In the real world relevancy, we talked about the real world relevancy. Whatever we do here, yes, actually why we have created a CCS. So this kind of apps are used by different foreign countries to give the homework. Their homework is a lot of fun, unlike our homework. අපේ homework වගේ නෙමෙයි, යාළගේ homework මරු. ඒ කියන්නේ යාළගේ homework කරාම යාළට ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. homework එක කරලා සෑහෙන දේවල් තනියෙන් self learn කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපේ homework ඉතින් ටිකක් දන්නවනේ, අපේ homework එක stress වැඩි. එතකොට ඒ හින්දා තමයි මේක create කරේ. අනිත් එක දුර ඉන්න ළමයින්ට එන්න බෑනේ. අපේ physical tools බලලා ඉගෙන ගන්න මෙතනක් දැන් ඉන්නවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. I think some of you are from even Trinco and some northern province, some are coming from southern province. It's difficult. Some are from western, some are from central. Some are expecting this as a recording, so they want to practice. This is critical. ඒ හින්දා තමයි අපි මේ වගේ ඒ වගේ මේකෙන් සෑහෙන දෙයක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. So I know 100% Steam cannot be given in an online way. So people like this, some people will tell that. Even I got a call from director, one of the education director, and what he was telling, no, are you doing this online? How you are doing this? We can't do everything online. We can do certain portion only. හරි, දැන් මේක තියෙනවා government එකේ e-taxalaව. හැබැයි ඊතක්ෂලාවේ පර්සනල් ස්කෝර් එකක් ඇඩ් වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ ළමයෙකුට. එයාව මෙෂර් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඊතක්ෂලාවේදී ඇක්ටිවිටි කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි මෙතනදී වෙන්නේ ආව මෙෂර් වෙනවා. එයාට එන්ජොයි කරන ස්කෝර් එකක් එනවා. එයාව බෙන්ච්මාර්ක් වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ එයාගේ MI report එකක් එයාට එනවා. These things are the important things. That's why the CCS is very important, because you can keep your level tracked by this system. And you can see the scores and all these things. When you earn, it will be cumulatively added to your score. And your teacher can see what you are doing. The teacher පුළුවන් බලන්න. This is CCS and yeah, the teacher can see. Okay, so let's change this. I'm changing this to, okay, this is one school. This is another school, you can see. Okay, let me refresh your score. Yeah, I always forget my passwords because a lot of passwords are there. You have to remember your password because we are working with a lot of systems. We are also facing this issue of remembering passwords. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now it's there. And you can see. Can you see? Now I have relogged into this interface. Any problems, please let me know. Yes, my free login. Okay, here. Now I can see, okay, Ms. Sampa has scored 800 marks. Devyani has enclosed 9,000 marks. Ms. Dinusha, yes, she's also scoring. And yes, Risindu has scored. Yeah, now I can see some progress. Good. Now you can see when they have done their last activity and also the detailed activity. Let's see, this is the detailed view. When I go to the scores, this is the teacher login. I can see the detailed view of this. How, when they have done the activity and what is the time taken and what is the score for the specific activity. And also, I can go to view all. In any students, I can go to view all and I can see the username, password, or not the password, username and the details and whether the student has paid for the specific month. This is very important when you are managing institute. එතකොට මේ account එක activeද තියෙන්නේ. නැත්නම් paid නැතුව this month due වෙලාද තියෙන්නේ. මේක automatically month end එකේ terminate වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි හොඳම දේ. කරදරයක් නෑ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. දැන් මේ අපි හිතමුකෝ December එක ඔයාලට මේ හදලා දුන්න login එක January 1 වෙනිදා බලන්න. January 1 වෙනිදා පාන්දර 1ට. You can check this 1 a.m. in the morning January 1st. It will be terminated automatically. And you can't log in. It will automatically tell that you have to pay this month's fee to get login. So fee collection is also not a hassle. Again, if you have institute එකක් තියෙනවනම් ඔයාට දැන් school account එකක් තියෙනකොට ඔයාට මෙතනින් මේක and you can edit this. Okay, let's say a student has complained about I forgot the password. You can go to edit and you can edit the password. And also when student said no madam, I paid, I couldn't send the slip. Okay, send me the slip and you can select the month and update the payment by your side. Your side, you can do that. You can change the password, you can change the status, and you can even update the payments from your side. රාගේ පැත්තේ මේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ව ලොකු දේවල් නෙවෙයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ සිස්ටම් එකට access payments manage කරගන්න පුළුවන්. That can be done. And the scope part එකත් බලන්න පුළුවන්. And another thing, මට මේක දැන් කරන්න වෙලා තියෙද දන්නේ. So you need to log in again, I guess. Another thing in CCS is CCS has parent registration interface. And this is it. So let me get some data. Otherwise, I can't go to, okay, I'll go to view all, and I will copy the number of Miss Devyani. I'll copy the number of her, and I'll go back to this CCS parent registration, and now you can search by child's phone number. Child register වුණ phone number එක. child ලට NIC නෑනේ. ඒකයි අපි phone number එකෙන් දාන්නේ. අම්මගේ හැරි තාත්තගේ හැරි. එතකොට එක ළමයි තුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා phone numbers තුනක් දාලා register කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then you can find the child. And you can see you are registering the parent of registering as the parent of Devyani. Devyani කියන child ගේ parent විදිහට ඔයා දැන් මේකට register වෙන්නයි යන්නේ. So I'll show the magic of parent login, what parents can see about the child. Because parents login, let them see the status of their child. So that parent login can be created by parent himself or herself. එයාටම පුළුවන්, parentටම පුළුවන් parent ගේ login එක